Welcome to The Artificial Professor. In this video, I will show you the ultimate poker beginner's guide, breaking down the essentials from high cards to the royal flush. Additionally, at the end of the beginner's guide, I will show you some bonus tricks to increase your winning chances. Before diving into any game of 5-card poker, it's important to understand the 10 basic ways to win. These hands are ranked from lowest to highest. 1. High card. 2. Pair of cards. This involves having a pair of identical cards, like 2 2s. 3. 2 sets of pairs, like 2 3s and 2 8s. 4. 3 of a kind. Achieved when you have 3 cards of the same rank, such as 3 5s. 5. Straight. This is 5 cards in sequential order, regardless of their suit. For example, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 of any suit. 6. Flush. This hand entails having 5 cards of the same suit in any order. For instance, 3, 8, 10, Jack, and Queen of Spades. 7. Full house. A full house occurs when you possess both a pair and a 3 of a kind. 8. 4 of a kind. This powerful hand involves having all 4 cards of a particular rank, like all 4 queens. 9. Straight flush, which is when you hold 5 cards in sequential order, all of the same suit. For example, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 of hearts. 10. Royal flush. The ultimate hand is the royal flush, which is a straight flush containing the 10, Jack, Queen, King, and Ace. In cases of a tie, the player with the higher cards within the hand wins. For instance, if John has a pair of 3s and Emma has a pair of 10s, Emma wins due to her higher pair. Now, let's continue with the explanation of Texas Hold'em, the most popular poker variant. Ante. To start a round of Texas Hold'em, each player places a bet known as the ante, which is a buy-in bet to play the round. The ante is typically a small amount, determined by the table, often around $1 or $5. Dealing. The dealer then distributes 2 private cards, known as hole cards, to each player. These cards must be kept secret from other players. Betting rounds. Now, the players will take a look at their cards and decide whether to bet or not. During betting rounds, you can choose to fold. This means not playing this round. You can choose to call. This means matching the current bet. Or you can choose to raise. This means increasing the bet amount. Players unwilling to match a bet must fold. If everyone except one player folds, that player wins the round. The flop. After the initial betting round, the dealer reveals 3 cards known as the flop. These cards are visible to all players on the table. Now, you start planning your hand, keeping in mind that 2 more cards will be revealed later. After the flop has been revealed, there's another betting round where you can choose to bet, call, fold, or raise before the dealer reveals the next card. The turn. Following this, the dealer reveals the turn, which is the 4th card. Another betting round occurs. The river. The final card, known as the river, is revealed. At this point, you'll have 7 cards in total, the 2 cards in your hands, and the 5 cards on the table. Final betting. After the river has been revealed, a final betting round follows. Reveal and winner. After the final betting round, all players reveal their hands. The goal is to create the highest ranking hand possible using the 7 cards. Even if that means using just 1 card from your hand. And 4 cards from the table. The player with the best hand wins the round. Now that the beginner's guide is over, it's time to tell you some quick poker tips to increase your chances of winning. Number 1. Fold when you're unsure. The biggest difference between a bad player and a professional player is the good player's ability to lay down a good hand when they think they are beaten. Calling too often and in wrong situations is the second fastest way to lose at poker. Number 2. Play fewer hands and play them aggressively. If you try to play too many hands, you will bleed away your chip stack, unless Lady Luck is on your side. Number 3. Attack when your opponent shows weakness. When players check, they usually have a relatively weak hand that will often fold if faced with multiple bets. Number 4. Fast play your strong hands to build the pot. In most cases, it's best to bet your strong hands to build the pot and protect your equity. Number 5. Only play if you feel like it. Poker should be a fun experience. If you feel frustration, fatigue, or anger building up while playing poker, you should quit immediately. You are very likely saving yourself a bunch of money by doing so. Now we have come to the end of your poker tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next informative video. Until then, keep playing and keep learning with The Artificial Professor.